Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about nail art. So guys, nowadays nail art is a fashion. We all want to do nail art, but if you have small nails like me, then there is a problem, right? A lot of people told me to go to a nail extension process, which is really very costly. And is it the only solution? No, there is another solution. Let's see. To solve this problem, today I'll show you how to create your own nail art using some household things at home. And guys, if there is some mess, please excuse me. You just enjoy the process, enjoy the look, and that's all. Let's start. For this process, I am using different types of nail polish, scissors, cello tape, toothpick and tracing paper. Before I start, secure my cuticles using Fevicol and let it dry. Then secure my nails using a transparent base coat. The first style is very easy. For this style I am using a cello tape, a scissor and two different colored nail polish. For this style I am choosing this nude color because it is almost like to my natural nails color. Apply the cello tape on the top of my nails like this. Then apply the white color on the external part of my nails and let it dry. Remove the cello tape and apply the top coat. And then clean your cuticles. And this is the final look. It looks like French manicure. For the next style, I am using 3 different colored nail polish and a toothpick. Firstly, I am applying the green colored nail polish all over my nails. Create a flower motif applying polka dots using toothpick. Now taking the shimmery shade and applying a single dot into the center of the flower. And this is the final look. You can use any color according to your choice to create this nail art. For the third style, I am using a sponge and 2 different colored nail polish. So at first I am applying white color all over my nails. Next I am taking the sponge and applying both of the color on the sponge, then applying this sponge on my nail. Clean my cuticles using nail polish remover. Then applying the top coat. And that is how it looks like. For this style, I am using 3 different colors and a toothpick. At first, applying the nude color all over my nails. Then creating black dots using back side of the toothpick. Now apply the white dots over the black one, but slightly to the side. Then applying the top coat. Here is your final look. For this style, I am using 2 different colored nail polish, my craft scissor and tracing paper. Like previous, applying the nude color first. Then cut and design the tracing paper using my craft scissor. Place the tracing paper on my nail and set it using my finger. Then apply the peacock green color on external part of my nail and remove the tracing paper. Oh, there is a mess. I have to clean this mess. Now last of all, apply the top coat and your nails is ready. For this step, I am using a sponge, a normal nail polish and a shimmery nail polish. At first, applying the blue color all over my nail. Then apply the shimmery color onto the sponge. Then apply the sponge on my nail. Secure it with a top coat and it's ready. For this process, we need a bowl of water and colored nail polish as much as you can. I am using white color as my base coat. Drop all the colors into the water one by one. On this way, drag the colors. Dip your nail onto it and then clean your cuticles.
Now last of all, apply the top coat and your nails is ready. In this step, I am also using scissors, cello tape and two different colored nail polish. Applying the nude coat first as usual. Apply the cello tape and then fill the gap with the black color. After drying, remove the cello tape. Finishing it with top coat and it's ready. For this step, I choose black and white color, but you can choose any color. Using a toothbrush which I use for my painting and create the style. At first, apply the white color all over my nail. Then apply the black color with the help of this toothbrush. Finishing it with top coat and it's ready. Creating this style only using a toothpick. Apply 3 different colors simultaneously on this way. Create this motif using the front side of the toothpick. Now last of all, apply the top coat and your nails is ready. For this style I am using
Sponge, a normal nail polish and a glitter nail polish. This technique is very easy. At first I am applying the yellow color all over my nail. Then apply the glitter color onto the sponge and then just press the sponge onto my nail. And you can see the finish.
Then applying the top coat.
I am also applying the glitter color using its applicator onto my middle finger, ring finger and baby ring finger. And it's ready. So guys, if you enjoyed this nail art, then do it by yourself and let me know how is it in your nails. And if you like this video, then give a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.